Hey guys, welcome back to Spotted Zombie. Today is a lovely day outside and it is my birthday. It may not be while you're watching this, but it certainly is while I'm recording. And today we're unboxing this beautiful set I got for my birthday, which is Lego Creator Set 10271, the Fiat 500, which has 960 pieces and is in this beautiful yellow. And has all these beautiful functions on the side, some pictures on the top, more pictures on the side. Sadly, they put punch tabs on this beautiful box, which means I'm going to have to destroy it. Get a shot here. I can open this box, which it doesn't seem to. Looks like I can't. Oh no, I'm destroying it more. There we go. Let's see this beautiful Lego bag. Ooh, that's nice. Got bag 1. We have bag 3 there. There's bag 2. This bag 3. And bag 2. And this looks very square instruction manual with some stickers. Bag 3, bag 1. What looks like a cloth piece. This is again bag 1. And finally, bag 2. Now, it looked like we were getting rather a lot of the... looked like we were getting rather a lot of the bag 1s and the bag 2s. So let's crack open this. And have a look at the instruction manual, which has this beautiful picture on the front of it. And has a little bit of the history. Anyway, the bags go up to 3, which is a bit interesting. As in a set like of this size, there's usually like about 50 bags, which is very interesting. These are all of the stickers. And this, I'm assuming, is the sunroof. That's about do it for this video, guys. If you like to see more, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you all next time, guys. Goodbye.